In the vector second bit, in this, the first problem is if a plus b plus c is equal to alpha d, b plus c plus d equal to beta a, and a, b, c are non-coplanar. Vectors. Then show that a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 0. Here, first we can get the idea about the coplanar. Coplanar means three are in the same plane. Non-coplanar means three are not in the same plane. If we have the relation a plus b plus c equal to alpha d, and the second relation is b plus c plus d is equal to beta a vector. From this, if we can write it as a is taking 2, let it be equation 1, it is equation 2. From 1, we can take a to the right side, alpha d to the left side. Then b plus c minus alpha d is equal to minus a. It is comparing with second equation. Here in the place of alpha, if we can take minus 1, then we get the minus into minus plus d. In the place of beta, we can take minus 1, then minus into minus plus b. So here beta equal to minus 1, then it will be minus a. In the place of alpha, we can take minus 1, then it will be plus d. So here alpha equal to 1, beta equal to minus 1, then it satisfies the second equation. So from this, we can substitute alpha equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Then it should be a plus b plus c is equal to minus d. From this, we get a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 0. So the relation is satisfied when those are non-coplanar. If beta is equal to minus 1, substitute in equation 2, then it is also b plus c plus d is equal to minus a. From this, a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 0. So, the relations are same. So, here if the relations a plus b plus c equal to alpha d, b plus c plus d equal to beta a, and a, b, c are non-coplanar means not in the same plane, then it satisfies the relation a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 0. In the second bit, second problem, it is very important for 4 marks question. A comma b comma c are non-coplanar vectors. Prove that the following 4 points are coplanar. The first one is minus a plus 4b minus 3c, 3a plus 2b minus 5c, minus 3a plus 8b minus 5c, minus 3a plus 2b plus c. The second one is 6a plus 2b minus c, 2a minus b plus 3c, minus a plus 2b minus 4c, minus 12a minus b minus 3c. Here, one is a, b, c, d points are position vectors. They have given the non-coplanar. A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors. Prove that the following 4 points. 4 points means we can take it as A, B, C, D. From this, how to find out the coplanar means we can check the relation. The coplanar relation means if AB, BC, CD position vectors, it's determined, volume is equal to 0, then A, B, C, D are coplanar vectors. Okay. That is also nothing but here when it satisfies the 0 relation, AB vector, BC vector, CD vectors are coplanar vectors. If it is equal to 0, coplanar vectors. If it is not equal to 0, non-coplanar vectors. So, here first take it as what they have given the points. That is, OA position vector is equal to minus A plus 4B minus 3C. OB position vector equal to 3A plus 2B minus 5C. OC position vector equal to minus 3A plus 8B minus 5C. OD position vector equal to minus 3A plus 2B plus C. Next, we can find out the AB position vector, that is OB minus OA equal to 3A plus 2B minus 5C minus A plus 4B minus 3C, minus into minus, plus 3A plus A is 4A, 2B minus 4B is minus 2B, minus 5C plus 3C is minus 2C. It is AB. BC equal to OC minus OB. That is nothing but minus 3A minus 3A. It's minus 6A plus 8B minus 2B plus 6B minus 5C plus 5C. It's 0C. CD. It is equal to OD minus OC. Minus 3A plus 3A. It's 0. Plus 2B minus 8B minus 6B plus C minus into minus plus 5C. It's plus 6C. Now we can find out the relation of the volume, that is AB, BC, CD is equal to, we can write in the determinant of the matrix form the coefficients of ABC 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 6 0 0 minus 6 plus 6 into ABC. It is equal to 4 into 6 6 are 36 minus 0 minus into minus plus 2. 6 6 are minus 36 minus 0 minus 2. 6 6 are 36 minus 0. It is equal to 4 into 36 minus 2 into 36 minus 2 into 36. It's 36 is taking common, 4 minus 2 minus 2, it is equal to 0. But it is with the volume, that is, it is ABC. This is also ABC determinant value. Here ABC. This is equal to 0 into ABC is equal to 0. From this we can write it as AB, BC, CD are coplanar vectors. It is a solution. Second bit, third problem. If I, J, K are unit vectors, along the positive directions of the coordinate axis, then show that the 4 points for I plus 5j plus k minus j minus k 3I plus 9j plus 4k and minus 4I plus 4j plus 4k are coplanar. Solution. Same similar to previous problem only. Here first we can take the position vectors OA equal to 4I plus 5j plus k, OB equal to minus j minus k, OC equal to 3I plus 9j plus 4k, OD is equal to minus 4I plus 4j plus 4k. Next to find out the line, AB line, that is equal to OB minus OA minus 4I minus 6j minus 2k. BC is equal to OC minus OB equal to plus 3I plus 9 minus into minus plus 10j plus 5k. CD is equal to OD minus OC equal to minus 7I minus 5j plus 0k. Next, if the AB, BC, CD are coplanar means its volume is 0. AB, BC, CD, it's equal to 0, then we can say that AB, BC and CD are coplanar. So here taking a volume of AB, BC, CD is nothing but its determinant of the coefficients of vectors A, B, C, position vectors. Then it's minus 4, minus 6, minus 2, 3, 10, 5, minus 7, minus 5, 0. Now we can find out the first determinant. That's determinant is minus 4, minus 6, minus 2, 3, 10, 5, minus 7, minus 5, 0. It is equal to minus 4 into 0 minus into minus plus 25 plus 6 into 0 minus into minus plus 7 5s are 35 minus 2 into minus 15 plus 70. It is equal to 25 4s are minus 100. 6 5s are 35, 3, 6 3s are 18, 215 plus positive. It's minus 2 into 45. 45 or 55, 55. It's a 110. So minus, so 55. I mean 60, 70. So 35, 6 5s are, so 30, 6 5s are 30, 3, 6 3s are 18. It's okay. It's a minus 110. Minus 210 plus 210 is equal to 0. This is 0 into ABC is equal to 0. Therefore, AB, BC and CD are coplanar. Vectors. Okay, this is the solution. It's the fourth problem. If A, B, C are non-coplanar, it is not in the same plane vectors, then test for the collinearity of the following points whose position vectors are given by. So if we can take O is the origin, then it is OA vector, OB vector, OC vector. That is A minus 2B plus 3C, 2A plus 3B minus 4C minus 7B plus 10C. That is the first problem. The collinearity means same line, the three position vectors. That is nothing but if A, B, C are there, we can say that AB is equal to something into BC. Same on the line means collinearity condition. So second problem is 3A minus 4B plus 3C minus 4A plus 5B minus 6C. 4A minus 7B plus 6C. Third one is 2A plus 5B minus 4C. A plus 4B minus 3C. 4A plus 7B minus 6C. First, we can take the given vectors. The first problem, given vectors are A minus 2B plus 3C, 2A plus 3B minus 4C, minus 7B plus 10C. We can take O is the origin, then let O be the origin. Then these vectors can be taken as the position vectors as OA equal to A minus 2B plus 3C, OB equal to 2A plus 3B minus 4C, OC equal to minus 7B plus 10C. Next, we can check the relation of the linearity means first we can find out the AB vector, that is OB minus OA. It is equal to 2A plus 3B minus 4C minus of A minus 2B plus 3C. It is equal to A plus 5B minus 7C. Next, to find out the BC equal to OC minus OB. It is equal to minus 7B plus 10C minus of 2A plus 3B minus 4C. It is equal to minus 2A minus 10B plus 6C. OB minus OC. Here plus 10C minus into minus plus, it's a 14C. So here we can take minus 2 is common, then it is A plus 5B minus 7C. So we can get the relation here BC is equal to minus 2 into AB line. It is equal, it is nothing but BC is equal to lambda AB, where lambda is equal to minus 2. So we can say that A, B, C are collinear points. It is the proof, or it is the solution of the